I know it's been a few weeks since we had an update video on the Project Code Blue. Things have been kind of crazy at work, and for those that keep up with the news, you'll see that we had the bomb cyclone come through Colorado and dumped ridiculous amounts of snow, and I was stuck at the hospital for a little while. But we're back on track, and hopefully we'll start putting out some videos again a little bit more regularly. So before I get started on this video, I just want to show you something. One of my friends and supporters gave me the coolest gift, so I have to show this to you. Check this thing out. It's a 65 Mustang desktop sound clock, thermometer, and hygrometer. Let's open it up and play with it. Check this thing out. Let's get a humidity. This is our temperature. And clock. So I really want to thank Nicole and Jared for this awesome gift. Thank y'all so much. It really means the world to me. So check out this video. I hope you enjoy it. Alright, so to make a template to tell us where to cut, we're going to take some thin cardboard here from a beverage container and then hold it up to the new wheel well. We'll take our pen and trace on the outside here. And then this will give us an exact line of where we need to cut the trunk floor. So let's get to it. So now you can see I've got a good pattern here. So I'll take some scissors and cut this out real quick. Moving over to the trunk floor, we'll lay our pattern here in place and take a scribe and mark out the trunk floor. After fitting both quarter panels and wheel houses, it became obvious that both replacement quarter panels were too long. You can see here on the driver's side how much the extension overlays the trunk by about a 1/2 inch. It is better on the passenger side, but it's still about 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch too long. When you look and see the gaps between the tail pan and the trunk floor, it becomes obvious how far off these things are. I talked to the supplier, and they surprisingly had never heard anything like this before. So what I think I'm going to do is basically just cut right here and just draw a straight line, come all the way down, and then section that distance out of this piece and just re-weld everything. So that about wraps up this video. Don't forget that this is the last week to enter our contest to win a free Auto Anatomy pop socket, just like this one. So the way that you enter is all new subscribers get automatically entered into a contest. So again, this is new subscribers only. So next time we're going to be working on sectioning the driver's side quarter panel and getting it to fit, welding in the tail pan, and then finishing off the rear of the car. I'll also show you what I'm going to use for undercoating and for sound deadening in the car. Like I said before, it might surprise you. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see here, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and you can click on the bell to be notified of any new videos. If anyone in the Colorado Springs or Denver area has front fenders or a hood or doors for this car, hit me up and let me know. You can either email me at autoanatomy@icloud.com. I'll put the email address in the description below, or you can just leave a comment and I'll get in touch with you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Thank you.